Bedwetting. Bedwetting is common in kids. My son still bedwets. Pee. The boy went to pee. Don't pee on the seat. Peep. She peeped through the keyhole. Don't peep at others' work. Puke. I feel like puking. The baby puked on me. Snore. My dad snores loud. He snores at night. Sneeze. I sneezed loudly. He sneezed again. Sleepwalk. I sleepwalk when I'm stressed. My brother used to sleepwalk. Flip. We decided by a coin flip. I flipped through old photos. Gossip. She gossips about you. Don't believe gossip. Flaunt. I hope I didn't flaunt. He flaunts his new watch. Rattle. The window rattled in the wind. The door slam made dishes rattle. Dip. I dip cookies in milk. She dipped her toe in water. Plow. The farmer plowed the field. Farmers plow in spring. Two-faced. I think she is two-faced. I was shocked he was two-faced. Moan. He moaned in pain. The wind moaned.